We'll guide you through how to enable and use USB Type-C earphones or headphones on a mobile phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super useful to do as you can then listen to sound and audio through them. So all you need to do is go and plug them into your phone. Go and grab the end of the cable like so, and this just goes in the port on your phone. So you can go and plug it in like that. Open up an app where you want to go and play audio from. I'll just go and use the music app and let me start playing it. As you can hear, they're plugged in, but it's not coming through the headphones, it's coming through the speaker. To fix that, you need to go and open up the settings on your phone, scroll down and go into developer options. Now go and scroll down. We're looking for the media section. Here we are, and just go and unplug your headphones or earphones like so, and you then want to go and switch off, disable USB audio routing like so. You can then come out of the app, go and plug them back in, and now you can start playing sound again, and it should now go through the headphones.